Hey guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video, share ko lang sa inyo itong Moonbox NFT sa Seed Airdrop. So ano nga ba itong Moonbox NFT? So kung titingnan natin, as of now, merong nakapag-registered users na 2,224,709. At isa tayo sa nakapag-register dito, nakapag-apply sa kanilang whitelist. So kung isa ka dito, ay isa ka sa mga maswerte makakapag-mint ng Moonbox NFT in the future. So ano nga ba to guys? So check natin yung full guide ng Moonbox NFT. Okay, so ano nga ba ang Seed Moonbox? So Seed Moonbox with mysterious seed moon inside helps users to level up their earnings returns. So every user can obtain their own Moonbox by minting in the app. Each user who is eligible for the seed airdrop will be whitelisted for at least one Moonbox up to a maximum of 15 Moonboxes. Additionally, each user will be whitelisted for a certain number of box mints depending on the number and rarity of seedbirds NFTs they hold. Users will receive Moonbox at random rates as follows. So, meron tayong ditong iba't ibang klase ng Moonbox. Meron tayong common na may 67% rate, uncommon 27.5% rate, rare, epic, at saka legendary. Users will get a new seed mon once they open the Moonbox with the moon quality influenced by the Moonbox quality. And ayun, so what makes Seedmon special? So ano nga ba yung meron dito sa Seedmon NFT na to? So ano nga ba yung mga benefits na makukuha natin dito? So meron tayo ditong exclusive artwork. Every NFT features stunning designs crafted by talented artists. So meron tayo ditong real utility. Holders of seed can unlock exclusive benefits, access unique events, and participate in exciting giveaways. Whether you're an experienced collector or just starting your journey with NFTs, the Seedmon ecosystem offers something for everyone. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of groundbreaking movement. So ano pang inaantay natin? Let's go and get involved today. Visit insert website or link to learn more about how you can own your very own Seedmon NFT and join our vibrant community. Okay, that's all. Thank you.